Hello and welcome to a little sneak peek into the video message tool within the Auto Video Engage platform. Now, this is probably the tool I use the most, and I cannot emphasize enough how versatile the video message tool is. Let's go ahead and get into create a video message. When first creating a video message, you'll enter a subject line, which is what you see over here. So if you want to revisit your message, you can find it again. Your call to action button, is very important that you enter a URL. This will really help navigate people to where you want them to go. Then you will capture your video or upload your video from whichever device you're on. Now, once that video is ready to go, what happens is a URL will be automatically generated for you. So you have the option to copy and paste this URL for let's say a LinkedIn DM, post it to your social media, put it in your email client, or you can copy URL and thumbnail image, which will give you an HTML code to embed anywhere as well. If somebody clicks on your video message, this is where they will go. So they'll see your company logo here on the page. They'll see your call to action buttons on the bottom. Now let's watch this video. This is just an example of something I would send to someone I'm communicating with through LinkedIn.
Hi, Mr. Smith. It's been great connecting with you here on LinkedIn. I completely agree that we need to get on a conference call and explore some of these opportunities a little further. If you want to go ahead and click on that link under my video, it's a link to my calendar, and you can book a meeting. Or if you have any questions, feel free to reply to this LinkedIn message. Anyways, it's been great talking to you, and I'll hear from you soon. Bye-bye.
Now, if Mr. Smith did decide he wanted to book a meeting with me, all he'd have to do is click this button and he'd be directed automatically to my calendar. So this is just a really great way to make communication more efficient and more engaging. And as with most of our tools, you get to see tracking. So you get to see how many times this video message has been played and when it was last played. Really, I just can't emphasize enough how many use cases there are for this tool. It's really up to you how you want to use this. Put it in your marketing campaign to send people to your website, your social medias, or use this for one-on-one communication. It's all up to you. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy your video message tool and hope you enjoyed this video.